Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is Lychee shrimp. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. 8 ounces frozen shrimp with no head, with no shells, defrosted. The dark lines were removed. We are going to marinate the shrimp with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Chinese cooking wine. You can use dry sherry as the substitute. Mix well. Set aside. 8 ounces canned lychee. This is the net weight after drain. Fresh lychee is seasonal and is not available most of the time. 4 ounces onion cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 ounces green pepper cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 ounces sweet red pepper cut into bite-sized pieces. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. The sauce consists of 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 4 tablespoons chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix well. We finished the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 350 degrees, which is high heat for the electric stove or medium to high heat for the gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute, the oil is hot. We're going to cook the onion for 1 minute until the onion is slightly soft. It's been a minute, the onion is slightly soft. Now we're going to cook the shrimp for 1 minute until the color of the shrimp turns pink. It's been a minute. The color of the shrimp has turned pink. Now we're going to add green pepper, red pepper to cook for 2 minutes until the green pepper is slightly soft. It's been 2 minutes. The green pepper is slightly soft. Now we're going to add lychee and the sauce to cook for 1 minute until the sauce is thickened. It's been a minute. The sauce has been thickened. It is done. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.